Hey guys, it's Portuguese DIY Dad. I'm doing some work around the house and our dishwasher is broken not for too long because I already got the new part, and I'm going to show you what happened. So this lower spray arm, okay, is damaged. So it makes a noise. I guess it hit the bar that warms up and it melted the plastic, and then now this is all loose. All right, so I'm going to show you real quick how to take it out. You don't even have to take this rack out. So simple. So here is a I guess a lever or something, whatever you want to call it. You in the middle right here, you pull it up, okay, and now this part is out. Let me show you what was broken. See that? Okay, that is bad. Okay, so here's the new part. Okay, very simple to change, and you all right, twist it, make sure it's locked in right, so that way it doesn't come out, and boom, like new. All right, I'll throw that into the description box so that way you know exactly what you need to buy, what part number, and etc. All right, if I helped you fix your dishwasher today, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. God bless.